I'm Gabriel. I'm the branch manager and the owner of Goldwagen Kyalami. Well, we're right next to the racetrack, so we get a lot of race clients in, a lot of cool cars, sports cars, and yeah, it's just a great location. So when the racing guys come in, it's usually with a part that's overheated on their car or not working anymore. So like a lot of alternators, we get a lot of guys with alternators and they say, okay, I need an alternator to run this. And then we need to kind of match it up and the brackets need to align and everything like that. And then also radiators is a big common thing that the guys come in with. This is the radiators. So this is what the race car guys come for. We basically have to sort through this and find one that would work specific for that race car. I find that on a lot of race cars, the E36 radiator, BMW E36, that one works really well. A lot of the guys use it because they've got these big bulky cars. That's usually like a old chassis of a 3 Series or something like that. So when a customer comes in with a spark plug issue, we usually try and find the fault first, if it's the coil or the leads, because usually it can be, because there's so many working components with that plug. But a common factor is when a spark plug is not sparking, it's usually the gappage is incorrect.
I'll show you some of the spark plugs that we have in the shop. We have different range of them and there's lots of spark plugs that we have. So for example, you get this NGK spark plug that keep here. So this can go to different varieties of cars. Lots of cars can take this spark plug. It works for quite a wide range of cars. Also, you'll be surprised, some generators use the same spark plug. This is a Bosch brand that we keep as well. And by checking on the part number, I can tell this fits for a Mercedes vehicle. This is another NGK spark plug, but a platinum one. Because on spark plugs, you get different type of spark plugs. You get a standard spark plug, you get a platinum spark plugs, you get iridium spark plug.
Spark plugs are usually replaced, it depends on what type of spark plug, because you get different types. You get nickel, platinum, double platinum. So it depends on what service interval you're on, but usually on any car with a small engine, it takes nickel plugs, it's every 15,000 Ks. And then if it's a double platinum or platinum, then it can go up to 30,000 Ks.
So if your vehicle is misfiring, your fuel consumption is too high, the engine vibrates when idling, like all the reasons I gave you before, and then maybe it's time to change your spark plugs, you can come to us here at Goldwagen Kyalami and we'll assist you with it.
Thanks for coming to my store here in Kyalami. If you're ever in the area or coming to the racetrack, please pop by.